Good morning children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all good and fine. So from today onwards we are going to start our regular classes. So now everyone open studio page number 1. Okay, everyone open studio page number 1. And here given pep activity children. So before going to pep activity, so once read the title of the chapter. Yes, lines and shapes. Okay, lines and shapes. So we already learnt about lines and shapes in grade 1. Yes children. So now can anyone tell me names of the shapes? Yes, circle, triangle, square and rectangle. We learnt in class 1 children, and we learnt about lines also, like straight lines, curved lines. Now observe pep activity children. Trace the dots and help the rat eat the biscuits and then cheese. Okay, here you have to help the rat to reach the biscuit and then cheese. Then help the rat to reach home by tracing the dot from cheese. Okay, here given 3 dotted lines children. First everyone join these 3 dotted lines. Okay, so first here the rat goes up for cheese, and then rat comes down, and here rat goes to somewhere. So here the 3 lines are like this. So this is first one, second one and third one. Now you have to check children, is these 3 lines taken by the rat straight lines? Yes, these all are straight lines children. Yes, these are straight lines. So if the line is this straight line? No children. Here you can see the curves. This is not a straight line. But here these 3 lines, it passes straightly. So these are straight lines. Okay. Now turn to next page. Straight lines can be drawn in different ways. Okay. So now we will discuss the types of straight lines. Okay. These are this is straight line. This is straight line. And this is also straight line, but there is some names children, how we have to call these straight lines. We will discuss children. So open page number 2. Here trace the dots to draw horizontal lines. Okay, trace the dots to draw horizontal. So first here dots like this, no children. Here the dots like this. If we join like this, the line formed like this. Okay, the line formed like this children. So here this is called horizontal line. Okay, what line it is? This is horizontal line. Okay, what line it is? This is horizontal line. And then next here trace the dots to vertical lines. Okay, this is vertical line. Okay, here this is straight line and this is also straight line children. Okay, so this is called vertical line. What line it is? This is vertical line. Okay, what line it is? Wait, sorry, here I drawn slanting. So draw straightly children. So this is vertical. Okay, this is vertical. You have to draw the lines from top to bottom. Okay, you have to draw the lines from top to bottom. So this is vertical line. And then page number 3. So the rat slides down to reach a home on a slanting path. So in PP1 and PP2 already learnt about these lines. Am I correct children? So we know that what line it is? Yes, this is slanting line. Yes, it slides down. This is slanting line. What line it is? Slanting line. Slanting line. So in PP1 you learnt already, no children. This is sleeping line, standing line, slanting line. Yes. So in our maths we call these lines as horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Okay, how we have to write in PP1? You are saying no. You are saying like this: slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line we are saying no. But in maths we are seeing this as horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. Okay children, you have to remember these three names: horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. Next. Okay children, you have to trace the dots. Next, look around. Look around your classroom to spot horizontal and vertical and share slanting lines and share them with your teacher. Okay, so you look around, what you have to do children? Look around your classroom. But you are not here now children. Once look around your room. Okay, once look around your bedroom and to spot horizontal lines. Okay, to spot horizontal lines and vertical and slanting. So horizontal means these are horizontal and this is vertical and this is slanting line. You have to spot these lines. Next, 1.4 children. Look at the posture of the boy and match the lines. Okay, look at the posture of the boy. So here the first boy, he stands children. So which line is suitable for this? So which line is match for this children? Yes, this is. What line it is? Is this horizontal or vertical? Yes children, this is vertical line. Okay, this is vertical line. So you have to match this ball to this line. Next, second ball. Yes, which line is match for this? Yes children, it is match for this. So what line it is? What is the name of this line? Horizontal line. Okay, what is the name of this line? Yes children. And here his boy is in slanting path. Okay, his boy is in slanting path. You have to match to the slanting line. Okay, you have to match it with slanting line. Okay, now everyone open companion children. Companion page number 1. Okay, so we know that now this is companion and open page number 1. Gear up. Tick the shapes that are closed. Yes, we already learned closed shape and open shape. So here shape. If you check the shape children, is this closed shape or open shape? Yes, this is closed shape. Why? Because here this shape is closed fully. So here you have to tick it. So here just you have to tick the shapes that are closed. Okay, you have to tick the closed shapes only. And the second shape children, so is this shape is closed? No, here it's open. So this is open shape. So no need to cross out. And third one, yes children, this is closed fully. So this is closed shape. Here you have to tick it. And this is not a closed shape. And here you have to check children, this shape closed fully. So this is closed shape. Okay. Next, second Roman. Name the shapes. Okay, name the shapes. So we already learned children. Here given 4 shapes. You have to write the names of these 4 shapes. Okay. You have to write the names of these 4 shapes. And who am I? So this is also you have to complete children. Just ask your parents to read these sentences and say the answer children. Here only the answers are there. So in these two, which one is correct? You have to write here. Okay, in these two, which one is correct? For example, first one I am explaining. I am a closed shape. All my 4 sides are equal to each other. Who am I? Okay, I am a closed shape and all my 4 sides. So which shape having 4 sides? And 4 sides are equal. Yes children, square. So square having 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. So here you have to write square. Okay. So like that you have to complete remaining B, C, D and B, C, D. Next, fourth one. Draw as per the instructions. Okay. Draw as per the instructions. First one. Draw 2 circles and triangle. Draw 2 circles and triangle. So in first one, how many circles you have to draw? 2 circles and 1 triangle. Okay, you have to draw 2 circles and 1 triangle. And then second one, draw 2 squares and 1 rectangle. So square means how we have to draw square? We have to draw 4 sides are equal. Okay, how to draw 4 sides are equal. So draw 2 squares and 1 rectangle. Draw 2 squares and 1 rectangle, children. Next, third one. Draw a rectangle, circle and triangle. So draw rectangle. So in rectangle, 2 sides are shorter and equal, 2 sides are longer and equal. So one rectangle, circle and 2 triangles. Okay, how to draw 2 triangles. Okay, children. So everyone draw the shapes like this. Next, fifth one. Color bubble with the number of sides that each shape have. Okay, here what you have to do, children? Color the bubble with the number of sides that each shape have. Okay, so first, what is the name of the first shape? Yes, here circle has given. So circle have how many sides, children? So circle have any sides? No. So that means here you have to color 0. Okay, have to color 0 with using any color. And then rectangle. So rectangle have how many sides, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, rectangle have 4 sides. You have to color the number 4 with using any color. Next, triangle. So triangle have 3 sides. Triangle have 3 sides. So you have to color the triangle with have to color number 3 with using any color, children. Okay. Then open page number 3. Here in page number 3 and page number 4, just given dotted lines, children. Just given dots. You have to join these dots to form lines. Okay. You have to use a crayon and join the dots. You have to use crayon to join these dots in page number 3 and 4. Okay, children. This is about today's class. So in this class we discuss about lines. Okay, so what are the lines we have discussed, children? We discussed 3 types of lines. Okay, 3 types of straight lines. So what it is, children? Horizontal line. Okay, what line it is? Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Okay, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. So you have to complete in page number 1, second Roman and third Roman, and you have to complete 1 year, children. Just you have to use crayons to join these dots. Okay, children. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.